What is up, CCA?
We're officially back.
We hope you had a terrific summer and cannot wait to be your host for this unique season.
Well, anyway, I'm Franco.
And I'm Kate.
And this is CCA-TV Season 22. Hey, Kate.
Yeah, Franco?
You know one thing
what?
I
can't hear you.
Oh, forget it. Let's just go virtual.
Phew, this is better.
You know, Kate, one thing that's on everyone's minds lately is when are we going back to school?
Franco, school literally started 4 weeks ago.
It did? But I thought it was optional, like in the spring.
No, Franco, this semester is way different than last semester. Come on. You seriously haven't been going to school this whole time?
What I like about distance learning is how simple it is and how organized the teachers are.
That I can do a lot of the work on my own time.
You can do work or school from anywhere in your house.
I can get up whenever I want. I guess I like just the freedom to kind of work at my own pace and do what I want to do and like kind of control and structure myself.
The ability to get on class and do schoolwork like while I'm still home.
The way I stay focused at home is by like distancing myself from distractions.
I usually try to get as much done as possible and then like relax after.
Doing everything I need to do while school is going on.
Getting the work done like right when it's assigned, and then I feel best because I have the most free time.
And one word to describe the 2020-2021 school year, quarantine.
Online. Weird.
Stressful.
Decent.
Difficult.
Unprecedented.
What's up, CCA? We got a special treat for you today. We have our ASB Vice President here, Tess Moretz. Tess Moretz, say hello.
Yeah, hi everyone. I'm Tess Moretz. I'm ASB's Executive Vice President. So ASB is kind of our student council on campus. It's made up of our elected officials, so our senior, our class presidents and vice presidents, and then, our executive committee, and then just class members who make up the daily functions of ASB. We put on lunchtime events and we promote school spirit. We're just finding ways to reach out to students in the most impactful way possible. Our mission, as always, is to reach the students who don't feel as though they are heard. So we're trying to find ways. We know it's a pandemic and we know that everyone has a lot of stuff on their mind. We're trying to find ways to have school and school spirit be something that people are still excited about, even though you're doing class online and stuff like that.
Well, thank you for your service. Tess Moretz, everyone.
Thank you, Matthew Layton.
Are you bored and missing clubs at CCA? Well, don't worry anymore because clubs are coming back and they want you to join. Just go to ccaasb.com/clubs and you can join a club or create your own.
Not sure if you've noticed, but unfortunately, California's been pretty heated lately.
I guess you can say it's smoky outside and there's nothing that we can do because it's smoky in California and we just have to stay inside.
Nearly 200 fires are burning right now in Washington, Oregon, and California, and thousands are still racing to evacuate.
In 2013, around 600,000 acres of land in California burned during the fire season. This year, 2020, over 3,451,428 acres have been burned. That's 3% of all the land in California. This vast increase in fire severity can be attributed to multiple factors, several of which are the bark beetle, dry weather, and most notably, climate change. As of the time of recording, the three largest fires in California are the August Complex, the SCU Lightning Complex, and the LNU Lightning Complex, all of which are near the Bay Area. As a result, the entire state is currently experiencing severe air quality issues, evacuations, and the loss of property. Fire trends also lead state officials to believe that wildfires will only become worse and worse in the following years.
California fires get worse and worse each year, but is there a way to prevent this? The answer could be yes, through controlled burnings. For millennia, Native American tribes such as the Yurok, Karuk, and Hupa, and many more have used controlled burnings. This process includes setting little fires to the land to clear underbrush and promote plant growth. These small fires have also prevented larger, uncontrollable ones from breaking out and destroying homes and cities. However, around 100 years ago, government agencies banned them from doing so. This has left the environment susceptible to destructive forest fires, while the land gets a buildup of flammable materials.
After decades of criminalizing native tribe-controlled burnings, California state and other government agencies are looking into prescribed burnings. However, native people are still not allowed to set small controlled fires, as who gets to set these fires is still under debate. These controlled fires are part of the indigenous people's connection to the earth and their culture, something they want to be revitalized.
Although most of California's fires are in the north, they are starting to reach Pasadena and beyond. Our community is affected by these destructive fires that could be prevented by letting the native tribes do their controlled burning.
Hey, Franca.
Yeah, Kate?
You know, I've been feeling pretty dull and uncreative lately.
Really? Because I'm doing great.
Well, good for you.
I think you just need a little bit of art in your life.
Elizabeth Grace, I got you. You ready? It's beautiful. Well, without further ado, I'm Lizzie.
And I'm Maya.
And this is Arts. Hey y'all, here's what's been going on in arts recently. The All Conservatory projects were created and presented last week. Here's how it went.
Students from all of the different conservatories are put together in groups that are combined, so they're working with people from different conservatories in different fields.
So this year, obviously, there were some unique challenges. I think trying to organize it was probably the hardest part because we weren't 100% sure what would work and what wouldn't work.
Hi, I'm Lucas. I'm a junior in Instrumental Conservatory. Our group made a video about fate and connectedness. So we were all going around our daily stuff, and the narrator narrated over some existential kind of stuff.
Hey, I'm Miguel. I'm from Visual Conservatory. It was fun as always, meeting new people.
Wow, the conservatories did great on those projects. I love the music. Yeah, that was awesome. Speaking of music, let's check out what the Microblades, a band at CCA, have been up to.
Hi, my name is Julietta Randall, and I'm the lead guitarist and lead vocalist of the band The Microblades. We have Addie Wallace on bass and backing vocals, and we have Lauren Deering on drums. We've been playing for a while, and I would say our influences include classic rock, rhythm and blues, soul, and if we're feeling a little more energetic, more grunge and punk. We have a new single coming out on October 26th. It's called Think of All the Good Things, and it should be available on all platforms. That means Apple Music, Spotify, Amazon Music, and TikTok. So if you want to create a TikTok dance, we'd appreciate the exposure. We did a project for an audition for the creators of Outer Banks as a possible gig. We've yet to hear back from them. It's a Netflix series, so we're hoping we get it because it's pretty big. And yeah, if you'd like to know any more information, just follow us on our Instagram called The Microblades.
Think of all the good things that you try to have for yourself.
Have you heard about any other news about musicians at CCA? No, but I think we will soon. Raven Idol's coming up. And on that note, we'll see you next time, Ravens.
So Raven Diversity Board started over the summer and basically began as a series of conversations between myself and Miss Yates.
We worked with the staff and administrators and other students towards diversifying the curriculum taught at CCA. Asian Student Union representatives that come and Black Student Union representatives come, as well as like Slate Club and some teachers.
So our idea was a project that could be implemented in every class.
Some sort of independent student research project on topics that are like really relevant to diversity. So we're hoping to work with teachers to have these small scale projects be like dropped into their current curriculum.
Other ways to participate can be just starting these discussions, bringing them up in your classes, actively participating, and researching on how to be a better person and a better ally.
And at the end of the day, like, we have control over what education we're getting.
Hey Kate, since we're here, we should film the outro.
Sounds good to me. Take it away, Franca.
At the start, I wasn't sure how this was gonna go, but I think it's gonna be a great season of CCA-TV.
I totally agree. Even though we aren't using the same weekly schedule, I still think it's gonna be awesome. What do you think about being host?
I think it's gonna be very exciting. So, stay smart, CCA.